Hello, my name is Inesca Rodriguez, and I am presenting my project on BJ's Wholesale Club. BJ's Wholesale Club is a retailer membership-based warehouse operator in the East Coast of the United States. Human Resource Management, finding and keeping the best employees. Human resource management is the process of determining human resource needs and then recruiting, selecting, developing, motivating, evaluating, compensating, and scheduling employees to achieve organizational goals. Methods of attracting and keeping the best employees include the compensation and benefit program. Compensation includes proper employee pay, and fringe benefits include sick leave pay and flexible schedules. BJ's finds and keeps the best employees by offering good benefit programs. Employees receive paid holiday vacations, paid sick leave, life insurance, and a flexible schedule. It won't always be an easy day at work. One may face employee management issues every once in a while. The best way to solve these issues includes having an open discussion, goodwill, and compensation. BJ's Wholesale Club has no scandalous known employee management issues, and in their 2019 annual report, under Item 1B, there are no unresolved staff comments. Like in any other business, there will be minor employment management issues. However, BJ's values their employees and resolve the issues efficiently. BJ's representative quote is, "We work every day to create an environment where team members feel included, respected, and accepted." Marketing can be thought of as advertising one's products in simple terms. However, it has many factors to it. Paul Sichaki, one of BJ's executive vice presidents, is in charge of the strategy and vision for the marketing division of the company. Currently, we are in an emerging mobile on-demand era. BJ's wholesale brand has adapted to this by offering online grocery shopping on their website at any time. Marketing plan is important to the success of a business. It's a document that includes your business marketing goals and where they are now in the process. BJ's marketing plan has 5 key areas of focus: omnichannel, membership, new products and services, elevated marketing, and expansion. Product development. Developing goods and services is a 6-stage process. First stage being idea generation, where the company works to generate profitable product ideas based on consumer wants and needs. The second step is known as product screening, in which the number of product ideas is lessened, and those with potential have more focus on them. Product analysis, the third step, is making cost estimates and sales forecasts to get a feeling for the profitability of the new product. Development and testing, for a prototype or example of the product will be made, and cost sub-testing will occur. Final step is commercialization, or promotion and advertisement, in which the company promotes and advertises the product. Product pricing. When it comes to this, there are different strategies. Cost-based pricing is using the cost of making and selling the product as a basis for the price. Demand-based pricing is on the basis on how much consumers are willing to pay for the product. Competition-based pricing is on the basis of what competitors are doing. Robert W. Eddy is an executive vice president of BJ's Wholesale Club and leads the company's pricing and procurement teams. BJ's uses competition-based pricing to set the prices of their goods and services. They make a point to sell products that are less priced than competing stores. A quote from a BJ's representative is, "We work hard every day to make sure our prices are far better than what you would pay at a grocery store." Distributing products is another key factor in marketing. Marketing intermediaries are those who assist in moving the goods and services from producers to businesses and to consumers. The channel of distribution is a whole set of marketing intermediaries, such as agents, brokers, wholesalers, and retailers that join together to transport and store the goods. BJ's Wholesale Club is a retailer that buys directly from manufacturers. They have their own distribution centers where large shipments are received and sent directly to wholesale clubs. BJ's may also be considered the wholesaler and the retailer in a channel of distribution. This process creates freight volume and handling efficiencies, eliminating many costs with traditional multi-step distribution channel, and lowers our carbon footprint. How to use effective promotions. Promotion is one of the 5 P's of marketing. Promotion consists of all techniques sellers use to motivate people to buy their products or services. Integrated Marketing Communications, IMC, is a technique that combines all the promotional tools into one comprehensive and unified promotional strategy. In 2019, BJ's launched a multimedia advertisement campaign. This campaign included television advertisement. Their campaign is centered on grocery savings and what BJ's has to offer. Advertising is a paid, non-personal way of communicating with individuals through a number of media resources. Different types of advertising include, but are not limited to, retail advertising and interactive advertising. Retail advertising is advertising by retailers, and interactive advertising is customer-oriented communication. These types of advertising are all used by BJ's Wholesale Club. A quote is, "We know that once shoppers realize that BJ's Wholesale Club can save them up to 25% off grocery store prices every day, they'll be eager to join." Our new campaign builds on that promise, showcasing our fresh take on the Wholesale Club and all of the reasons to join. Accounting and financial information. Accounting can be compared to blood pressure readings in the sense of telling others the financial health of the business. Financial statements give information on how the business is doing financially. The 3 most commonly used financial statements are a balance sheet, an income statement, and a statement of cash flows. These are also all the financial statements BJ's Wholesale Club uses. Auditing is the job of reviewing and evaluating the information used to prepare a company's financial statements. BJ's Wholesale Club auditors is PricewaterhouseCoopers LLP. Finance is the function in a business that acquires funds for the firm and manages them within the firm. Financial managers manage the resources of the company in order to meet their goals. They also examine the data from accountants and suggest financial strategies the company should take. BJ's future plans to raise capital include acquiring new investors. This would be for the purpose of expanding the business, such as opening more wholesale clubs and more gas stations. The 2 main functions of security market are providing the company with long-term funding for finance capital needs and being a place to buy and sell investments. The stock exchange is an organization whose members can buy and sell securities on behalf of companies and individual investors. Security and Exchange Commission are responsible for regulating the stock exchange. Stock is a small piece or a share of ownership of a company, and the stock certificate serves as proof of that ownership. By using the SEC, BJ's Wholesale Club sells stock in order to raise capital. They joined the stock market in 2018 after going private by equity firms Leonard Green and Partners LP and CVC. Monetary policy is the management of money supply and interest rates by Federal Reserve. BJ's benefits from monetary policy because the cost of investment can be reduced, which also decreases interest rates. Thank you for listening. Here are my references.